Okay, so it's been a while since I've posted a video, so there's a couple of things I want to talk to you about tonight, and the first one being the garden room plans. They're going to go back on sale tonight. There's a limited few. Like I said before, they were generic sizes because there's just far too much work doing bespoke ones. So there's a 3x3, a 4x3, a 5x3, a 6x3, a 7x3 and an 8x3. It's full pack. I put some more drawings in as well, a bit more information. There's a full materials list, name of our suppliers, and a step-by-step guide how to build it, which is also backed up by, if you watch a lot of the YouTube, all the stuff's on there as well. So like I say, them packs are going to go on sale tonight. I'll put them on sale maybe around 8 o'clock, something like that. There's a limited number of each pack, only because I just want to see how quickly I can turn them around. You're not going to get a postal copy this time because I had a few issues. Some people never got them, some people were damaged, had to redo them again. So what I'll do, when you purchase it, you'll tell me your size, and then I'll reply, hopefully within 48 hours, with your build pack by way of Word document emailed to you. Just a little word of warning as well, it is my intellectual property, and by which that I mean if I see it for sale anywhere else on eBay or anywhere like that, I will pursue you, because I have a solicitor friend who I built a garden room for, and he's told me that he will do my pursuing free of charge. Anyway, that's that. So 3x3, 4x3, 5x3, 6x3, 7x3 and 8x3. Second thing I want to talk to you about is we're doing a build, we're starting a new build next Monday. It's a 5 metre by 3.5 metre. There's some decking, a bit of fencing. Because it's 3.5 metres, it'll have double roof joists, so it'll have everything in that you'll possibly need. So what I want from you now, I want you to just drop me a message and tell me what you'd like me to highlight in the video, stuff that I've not done before or stuff that I need to explain a little bit more, and please not cold and warm roofs. You know my stance on this. If you don't like it, do something else. That's fine by me. So like I said, there'll be double roof joists going in it. It's a full build, start to finish. I'm going to be there myself on the build every day, and I'm going to make sure it gets videoed to hell, and I will put it up for you. Full tutorial, start to build, 5 metres by 3.5 metres. And, there's another thing as well. The reason why I'm holding this rod is I've had loads of comments about the offer for free rods if I get 50,000 subs by Christmas. It's not looking like that. I thought it might have bumped up a little bit, but it hasn't. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to still, at Christmas, no matter how many subs I've got, I am going to do the draw. So there should be a link at the end of this video. If you just leave a message, then you'll be in the draw, because I'll do a random, what do they call it now? It's like a random picker, so it picks a random comment out of all the comments on that video, and I will post you 30 rods free of charge, and I will also give you 30 shoes as well, and I will give you a build pack of your size. Even if you don't want it, if you don't need it, it's worth winning. You can bang it on, sell it on if you want, or I will give you cash value for it, whichever you prefer. So that's it. So packs are on sale tonight. Did I say 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock it will be. There's a limited number of each one. I will put more on, and I will put different sizes on, because I know a lot of you people want like a 4 by 3.5 deep or a 5 by 3.5 deep. A lot of you want that extra half metre in depth, which I will do, but it's took a while just to get all these finalised and sorted, because I'm not the quickest on the computer. But I will do my best to upload them as soon as I can. But like I say, there's a few going on sale tonight. If you miss it and you want them, don't worry about it. I mean, to be fair, if you drop me an email as well, if you haven't got the size you wanted, and I'll get a list of what size is most popular, and I'll bang them out as well. Okay, so as always, thanks for my subscriptions. It's good to be on YouTube, and I'm really enjoying the feedback I'm getting, good and bad. It's all good for me, and I hope you're all staying safe in this COVID situation. Never before has working from home ever been so popular and relevant, really. So Garden Office is exactly what you might need in your life. So if you think you can build one of these yourself, there's a pack to help you along the way, and they'll be for sale later. So like I say, if you'd like to subscribe, follow the link at the end as well, and watch the video about the free rod system, which I'm giving away 30 of them. Leave a message on that, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.